Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. Before I continue, please remember to like, subscribe and share my videos. And if you haven't done so already, please tell your friends, your family about this channel, RA Solutions. Today's video is all about how to save a Word document to a PDF document. So I've got a Word document here. This is a piece of work my son did about volcanoes, and he's only 7, so he did a really good job in inserting the text, adding the commas, looking at his grammar and inserting the pictures himself. So I'm going to turn this Word document, this is done in Word 2016, I'm going to save this as a PDF document, so initially as a read-only file. Now in Word 2016 there's 2 ways to do this. So the first way in saving this as a PDF document is go into File, top left hand corner, into the ribbon, go down to Save As here. Click on that, then choose Browse. Now it will come up with a pop-up box here. What we need to do is decide what file name we want to give it. So I'm going to leave it as volcanoes, but here under Save As Type, I want to change the type of file or the file extension I want to save that as. So I want to move it from a Word document, which is a docx file, to a PDF document here. Click on that and click on Save. And what it will do, it will create a PDF version of that document there. So that document now is being saved to my desktop area called volcanoes.pdf. There it is, and that's a PDF version of my document. If I come off that, right click, show the desktop, minimize it, what you will see, or what I will see, is that document has been saved. There we have it there. I'll put it here as a PDF document. So if I double click on it again, it will open up that document in Adobe Reader, and there we have it. That was one way to save it as a PDF document. If I go back into that Word document, there is another way. There's actually a third way, and I'll show you the third way as well. So File, same sort of way, go down to Export this time. Click on Export, and here we can create an Adobe PDF document here. So click on that, and what it will do, and click on this Create button here, create Adobe PDF document. Once we're happy with it, Adobe PDF Maker needs to save the file before continuing. Yes, that's fine. And we need to save it. Let's save it as Volcanoes V2, version 2. Click on Save. And what it will do, will make the PDF. It will take a few minutes to convert it into an Adobe PDF document. And it will open up that document as an Adobe Acrobat PDF document. And there we have it. Okay, that's the second way. There is a third way. Let me close this down, and you can see this. You've got this Word document open here. Top right hand corner is an Adobe Acrobat option I've got here, and it's Create and Share Adobe PDF. It's the same option we had before. There we have it, and this time I'll save it as V3. So it's Volcanoes V3. Click on Save. It will convert that. And there we have it. That's the third way of creating a PDF document in Word. Really useful, really. So I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.